Let's talk about spring cleaning. Get organized for spring cleaning. I got a link from Eileen Smith on her Twitter account. If you go to the show notes, theguycookReport.podbean.com, I've got the URL for that resource in there. And she did a tiny video about the Amazon link that goes to the deck of cards that you get for organizing your household. And it's a great deck of cards. You get a new task to spend an hour of your time in a week. And then a week later, you get another task on another card, and so on. So instead of camping out in front of the computer all week, set aside some time for spring cleaning because it's that time of year. I've got them so you can get them. Let's talk about spring cleaning. Get organized for spring cleaning. I